Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the reason why you cannot add someone to your friend on Facebook. So there are several reasons that you can stumble upon this problem. The first one is that that person is a public figure. For example, if you click on the Mark Zuckerberg's profile, you can see that there is no add friend button, just follow, which means that you cannot add as friend a public figure. You can see that blue check mark near his name. So this is one of the reason, and the other reason can be if you go to your profile. So if you go to the menu, which is on the bottom of the screen right corner, and you go to the settings and privacy, here click on the settings again, and if you scroll down you should see the blocking option. So this means that maybe someone blocked you, and that is why you cannot add that person as friend on Facebook, or maybe that person rejected your friend request once, then after that you will not be able to add that people or ask to become friends on Facebook again. So this is the second option. And the third option is maybe that if you go to the how people can find and contact you option, you can see that there is this section who can send you friend request, and if that setting is set to friends of friends, then maybe if you are not a friend of his or her friends, then you will be not able to send a friend request to that person. So you can see that basically you cannot do anything if that person is blocking you, or that person sets his or her Facebook in this way. So you just have to reach to that person via messages or through other social media network, and try to make a contact with that person. So that's it. I hope that it was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.